Welcome to Dr.Veda. 5 Natural Cough Remedies. Honey. It can be used to soothe irritated tissues, ease the symptoms of a cold, and promote healing. The main reason why honey is effective for coughs and sore throats is that it contains multiple types of active compounds called hygroscopic molecules. Ginger. It's believed that the spicy and warming properties of ginger can help soothe throat irritation and relieve congestion. Ginger can be consumed in several different ways, including fresh fruits and vegetables, dried spices, candied ginger, and tea. Hot fluids. Hot liquids such as tea, broth, or decoction can be taken to warm the body and relieve the symptoms of a cold or other respiratory problem. These fluids can also help to loosen mucus in the throat and lungs, making it easier to breathe. Steam. Steam can be inhaled through a steam inhaler or vaporizer, or it can be put onto a wet cloth and inhaled through the mouth. The beneficial effects of steam include relieving congestion and draining excess mucus from the nose and throat. In some cases, it can even help to break up existing lung infections. Saltwater gargle. It is made by mixing salt with water and gargling with the mixture. This remedy is believed to relieve throat irritation, reduce inflammation, and soothe soreness by stimulating the immune system. Thanks for watching.